my name is Soham from RoboFunLab, Porbandar. Today my project is anti-theft alarm. Rajan we are back to their lab from WRO international sessions. They see that the most important color sensors are missing from the lab. So I have created this anti-theft alarm from Lego Mindstorm EV3 kit. I have used one brick, one color sensor, one touch sensor and one color sensor. The touch sensor will be pressed, the ultrasonic sensor and the distance from the precious thing will be 3.1 and the color sensor will detect green. This is the correct position of the precious thing. If there is any change, then the alarm will be play continuously. Let's see how it works. Thank you and bye.